Alright, so today we're going to do lesson 7.3. Raise your hand if you remember when we did congruent triangles with the shortcuts SSS, SAS, AS, works too, and then HL. But remember, it could never be the donkey way, right? You remember that? Or backwards. Donkey forward or backwards. So what we're doing today is we have 3 shortcuts to prove that they are similar as well. So we have 5 to prove congruency. We have 3 to prove similarity. Here's the first one. AA. AA stands for? Angle, angle. Angle, angle. Thank you. Okay, if two angles in a set, which is a pair, if 2 angles in a pair of triangles are the same, then I can automatically say that they are similar. That's because if I know 2 angles in this triangle, don't I know the third? 180 minus 90 minus 30. So if I know 2, I know all 3. So which 2 angles are congruent? Angle A is congruent to what angle? Angle C is congruent to? Angle E. Therefore, yes, these 2 are similar. Okay, look at number 2. Do I have 2 similar or 2 congruent angles in this triangle?
Yes.
I have 140, but one's 20 and one's 25. So let's see what the other angle will be. To find the angle in ABC, I would do 180 minus 140 minus 25. So I know that this angle is 15 degrees. I can also find this angle by doing 180 minus 140 minus 20, which is 20. So do I have 2 angles that are the same? 140 and 140, 20, 20, 15, 25. No. So these 2 are not similar. Not similar. Okay. Let's try this one. Can I find the missing angle?
No.
180 minus 52 minus 88 tells me that this is 40. Well, over here, I have 40 and 52. So what's angle A congruent to?
F.
F. What's angle B congruent to? Angle B is congruent to angle D. Since I have 2 sets of angles, I can say that this is similar. Alright, what about number 4? There are no numbers. Think back to when we did proofs. Think all the way back to the dark days of geometric proofs. Okay? Good, Jay. Yeah. K is vertical angles. So those are the same. Remember bow tie? Bow tie makes vertical angles. Now, I know that this line is parallel with this line. If 2 lines are parallel, cut by a transversal, then G is congruent to J. Transversal is the line that cuts 2 parallel lines. G is congruent to J because why? What are they called? Alternate interior. Okay? So do I know that 2 sets of angles are congruent? Yes. So this is similar. Carson, will you open the door, please? Alright, our next shortcut. Side, side, side. SSS. Now, we're not proving, I would hate to call your name out on video to tell you to put your head up. We're not proving that these are congruent. We are proving that they are similar. Therefore, the sides are not going to be the same thing, but they have to have the same scale factor. Okay? So in order to set these up, because I don't know which one goes first, you need to take the two smallest sides of each triangle. So look at this one. What's the smallest side?
18.
Yeah. Of this one, 18. So 18 goes on top.
27.
What's the smallest side in this one? 14. Okay. We did the two smallest. Now find the two middle. What's the middle angle or the middle side in this one? 27, and it goes over the middle angle and side, in this one. 21. Okay, what do I have left? Largest is 27. 36, I'm sorry. 36 over 28. Now, take your calculator and find what all of these equal. 18 divided by 14 is 1.28. So I need these, all three of these, to equal the same exact thing for these to be similar. They need to equal the same exact thing for these to be similar. So check on that one. 27 divided by 21. Is that the same thing?
Yes.
Okay. 36 divided by 28. Same thing?
Yes.
So yes, these are similar by SSS. All right, let's do the same thing on this one. Smallest side right here.
Oh,
Yeah.
27.
27. Smallest side right here.
36.
Middle.
32.
Middle.
44.
Largest.
38.
Largest.
49.
Okay, let's check. Huh? 27 divided by 36. 0.75. 32 divided by 44. Nope. Do I have to go any further?
No.
No, these are not similar. Alright, last one. So we have AA, which stands for angle, angle. We have SSS, which stands for side, side, side. And then we have side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Now when you use side, angle, side, the angle has to be in between two sides. Okay? So I can't have side, side, angle, because that's the donkey way, right? I have to have side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Now for this to work, your angle has to be congruent. So your angle has to be the same thing, congruent. And then your sides have to be proportional. So 79, 79. Are those the same thing? Yes. Now we need to set up a proportion to look at our sides. But we can't just guess which one goes first. Take the two smallest and the two largest. So the smallest over here is 10. So it goes over 22. Good. Okay. Next I have left is 25, and it goes over 55. .454545. Same thing. So since the angles are the same and the two sides are proportional, yes, it is similar by side, angle, side. All right, look at this. These are two different triangles. Here's the first one. That's the small one. Okay, you see it? Small triangle. And then if I were to erase this EF, would you see the large triangle?
Yes.
Okay, small, large. What angle do they have in common? Yeah, good. Good. B is the same for both of them. So that's my angle that's the same for both of these triangles. Now, I have to find the whole thing of the big triangle. And I already know the sides of the small triangle. What's this side of the big triangle?
14.
How?
Plus 8 plus 6.
14, because 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay, now I need to find the whole length of this side. 12 plus 9 is 21. So now let's set up our proportions. Small triangle first. What's the smallest side? 8. Okay. Big triangle. What's the smallest side? 14. Small triangle. What side is left? 12. Big triangle. What's left?
21.
Okay. See what the scale factor is. 8 divided by 14. 0.57. 12 divided by 21. 0.57. Yay. Yes. They are similar. By what? By what? Because you did side, angle, side.